Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You have basics ready: VS Code, Git installed, and a GitHub account. First, open your project folder in VS Code and confirm the source control icon shows changes. Next, open the integrated terminal and run Git init if the repo is local, or skip if already initialized. Once done, check Git status to confirm tracked files. Make an initial commit locally with git add, and git commit m init to prepare a clean baseline before linking to GitHub. Now link the local repo to GitHub. If you created a repo on GitHub, copy its SSH or HTTPS URL. In VS Code terminal, run git remote add origin URL to set the remote. Replace URL with your copied link. After adding the remote, run git push uorigin main to push your initial commit and set up stream. Make sure to authenticate when prompted. Use a personal access token for HTTPS or ensure your SSH key is loaded in your SSH agent for seamless pushes. Finish by verifying your repository on GitHub shows your commits and files. This confirms the connection. Use VS Code source control panel to commit, create branches, pull remote changes, and resolve merges visually. Make sure to pull before pushing when collaborating to avoid conflicts. If things go wrong, check the remote URL with git remote v, verify whether you used SSH versus HTTPS, and ensure your token or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.